Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 307 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Open Heart, a moment to invite warmth, compassion, and gentle openness into your day. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly, releasing tension. Feel your chest softening with each inhale, as if sunlight is gently pouring into your heart. You don't need to force anything, just allow warmth and kindness to flow naturally. Now, say to yourself, I am open to love for myself and others. My heart is soft yet strong. And I welcome connection and joy. I am rooted in peace. My energy is steady and strong, and I grow calmly at my own pace. Let this stillness remind you that growth isn't always about movement. Sometimes it's about trust, the kind that anchors you even when life changes above the surface. When you're ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry the open and connected, calm strength with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.